and we are working on Photoshop Chapter 6. Extract your CAC folder into your WIP folder, and inside that you will find a CAC Summer Photoshop file. Open that file and take a look at your Layers panel. Click to select the layer After School Arts program. We are working Stage 1, Managing Missing Fonts. In your Tools panel, find your horizontal type tool and click anywhere in the heading text on the canvas. Read the resulting message, which tells you that there is missing fonts. Click Replace. Replace will automatically change the missing fonts to the default font, which is Myriad Pro Regular. Now we should have a contextual taskbar visible. If not, go to Window, Contextual Taskbar and select it so it comes up. In that active type layer, highlight the word After. Just double click it. It will also include the space that follows the word. In your contextual type menu, start typing in ATCG, and you should get a pop-up that's going to give you the selections that are available. We're going to choose ATC Garnet Medium, and then select School Arts and type in ATC, and we want Garnet Ultra, and select Program and make that ATC. Now you can scroll through this, but it's a whole lot easier to start typing in Garnet Medium. Click to place the insertion point somewhere in the Register By area, and you'll get that warning message again. Click Manage in the warning message, and that's going to bring up the Manage Missing Fonts box. If you open the drop-down up next to ATC Maple Medium, and we're going to replace that with Garnet Medium, and for Maple Ultra we're going to replace that with ATC Garnet Ultra, and then click OK. Now if you highlight those, you should see that that is now replaced without having to do the selections. If you haven't already, save your file with your initials on it. If you get a pop-up about the fonts, go ahead and commit to the changes so that you can save your file. Then make sure you click in the bottom of your Layers panel so that absolutely nothing is selected in your file. And then you're going to go up to Edit, select Preferences, and go to Units and Rulers, and change your units from inches to pixels, and click OK. Then take a look at your Properties panel, and you can see that with nothing selected, you're getting information about the document itself. So you can see that we are in pixels. You've got a width of 1,200 pixels and a height of 675, and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Next, we are going to add some guides. So we're going to go up to View. Hello, View. Come on, View. There we go. Guides. New Guide Layout. In the dialog box, you're going to click the Margins option if it's not already selected, and for the top margin it's going to be 22.5 pixels. The left margin will be 0. The bottom will be 22.5 and the right margin is also 0. Click OK to add your guides to your canvas and then save before proceeding.